In this video, I'll be talking about my very first product I sold as a private label as a Amazon seller. So, ਉਹ product ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ, I'll be talking right now. But before I talk about that, let me tell you there is 4 other ways to sell on Amazon. First one is retail arbitrage. Second one is online arbitrage. Third one is wholesale. The fourth one, the one I like the most, is private label. So let's talk about the product I sold at very first time in 2017. The product was rustic felt letterboard. So this felt letterboard is double-sided felt letterboard. In which category this comes in? So this comes in office product category. So by using this, people use it office product, they keep it like on the side of the office on the table or something and put their name and all that stuff on there. And the second way to use this, people were using as for the baby showers. So by saying the name, it's gonna be like boy or girl at their houses. And for the third, people were using for the birthday parties. So happy birthday and all that. Fourth, it was a very good gift option for the people. At the Christmas time, it was selling a lot. The reason people like to give these kind of gift because they can be used for anything, because it comes in 720 different letters and the symbols as well. So 360 in white, 360 in the gold color. So there is two sides. One side is black and the other side is gray. So when I started in 2017, I was having it as this kind of way. So customer had to cut it manually, and I was providing the scissors to the customers so they can manually cut it. And it was the scissor itself, and the bigger box itself was charging me more to ship, and by having it in stock at Amazon warehouse, it was charging me more for the Amazon FBA fees as well. So the second thing I did, after 6 months, I talked to my supplier. He wasn't ready to make them cut because he was charging me more for the labor to cut them manually and put it in a small tiny box. Then what I did for these special letters, I talked to the other supplier. They were ready and they were giving me more cheaper as compared to the other suppliers. So what I got it is this. So this is what I got after having all the letters cut manually by the supplier itself and put it in the tiny boxes. So I had 2 tiny boxes, one for the white, another one was for the gold letters. So by doing so, I saved a whole lot of money. The reason, so customer had the headache to cut it manually, right? But by doing so, customer was so easily finding all these numbers, letters, A, B, C, or whatever, to choose them and to stick them onto the felt letterboard. So it was saving their time and it was saving my money as well on the other side, right? So more money you save on the product, more money you're going to be making, because it's all about the number games to sell on Amazon or any other business. So what private label is, so you create a product or find a product, let your supplier manufacture it for you, and you get it shipped from Alibaba to Amazon warehouse. So the main motto for the private label is you represent your own brand onto your product. So if you see on this box, it say my brand name, which is called Dream Decor. So this is what the brand I recalled, and I choose to have it on my logo, Dream Decor, and this is on the box itself. And on the other thing, and it should be on the product itself. Let me show you that. So if you see this product, right, both side, there is no way to put the brand, right? So what I talked to my supplier, and what we did at the side and in between of the felt letterboard, there is a logo on here as well. It's called Dream Decor on this side, and if you see and turn it, Dream Decor on the other side. So this is how you represent your brand. You have to have your own logo, and the packaging itself, it has to show your brand name as well. If you show your brand, your customer will recommend to someone else as well. So let's say this felt letterboard is sitting at my house and one of my friends showed up at the same time, right? He saw it, and if he's gonna be asking me like, where you buy this product, you can tell them I bought it from Amazon.com, from Dream Decor brand, right? by saying these things, either he gonna Google or search it on Amazon right away to buy it, and either he can do it later, right? As long as the brand name itself representing your brand itself, you will be getting more sales. So it has to be done properly. So the brand has to represent your product, and it has to be on the packaging, on the product, or any other supply you are putting into your product packaging. So this is how the private label work. If you have any question about private label, because this is what I focus on and this is my main gig as well, so make sure you do the product research properly, because if the product research is not done properly, there is no way you're going to be making money. You're going to have the product, but to sell them you have to have a very high value and premium product so customer can buy it. And if you sell it for more price, they will be, or they should be willing to buy it. So any other further questions you guys have, make sure you comment down below so I can help you guys out as well. So see you guys in the next video.